Looking for this?
Yes, thank you. My favorite food is broccoli. Every day? Almost every day. You actually eat that? I can't believe it. Yeah. Today is my first day at my new school. Mom, what if I get lost? You will be okay. Wow! Wow! This school is big! I hope I find my classroom.
Your classroom is room 204. Thank you.
Room 204. I think it's right here. Hello?
Who is she? I don't know. I don't get it.
Hello, can I help you?
I think I'm in the wrong room.
This is room 404. Oh no.
Oh, this isn't it. Good luck. Thanks. Okay. 204. Here I come.
This time, I am sure.
Hello, you must be Emma. Yes, I am.
Please sit here, Emma.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Lily. Hi, I'm Emma. Do you like animals? Yes, I love animals.
Tell us something about yourself.
I love reading books and drawing. That's cool. I like drawing too.
Today, we will do a fun activity.
Yay!
I know, I'm so excited.
Me too! Hooray, fun activity!
Write 3 things about yourself.
Okay. What are you writing? I love books, drawing, and animals. My favorite food is broccoli. Every day? Almost every day. You actually eat that? I can't believe it. Yeah.
My name is Emma. I love animals, books, and drawing.
Welcome, Emma. Wow. There are so many students. Lunch is always busy. What did you bring? A sandwich and an apple.
Oh no, my apple! It's escaping! Stop! Get it! Looking for this?
Yes, thank you.
Your apple wanted a school tour. I think so.
Laughs, laughs, laughs.
Welcome back, everyone.
Hello, Miss Parker.
I'm glad to see you all so energized. Let's start with our reading lesson.
That's my favorite part.
Now it's time for a partner challenge.
Yay! Yay!
Let's do it! Awesome!
Ha, ha. What animal should we draw? Let's draw a dolphin. Emma, your nose is blue. What?
Oh no! Now you look like a blue dolphin. Laughs.
Our poster looks great. We make a good team. Emma and Lily, you're next. Us?
You can do it. Okay, let's go.
This is a dolphin. Dolphins are smart. And this is a rabbit. Rabbits are very fast.
Great job! Excellent work!
Thank you.
Everyone did a great job today.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Did you have a good first day? Yes, I really did. Do you want to be friends? Of course.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Lily. This school isn't scary anymore.
Today was much better than I expected. Mom! Emma!
Emma! Huh. How was your first day? I walked into the wrong classroom.
Alberto!
Really? Everyone was much older than me. I was scared this morning. But now, I can't wait for tomorrow.